So we're in the middle of getting ready to put the spinnaker up. The winds have come behind us about 15 knots, 14 knots. And I just woke up from my nap and we're going to get this thing going. So hopefully it's not too much of a hassle. We'll give it a shot.
So right now we have the code 0 out, but
correct.
We're going to put an even bigger gun out.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
And how fast are we going right now?
5.5 knots.
Okay, and we want to go faster than that, or we just want to be...
all the above.
Have some flexibility in our in the wind direction.
Faster and faster. All about fun.
How long has it been since we put up the spinnaker?
It's been a while.
The parasailer.
It's been a long time. It's probably been, I don't know, I don't want to say a year, but it's been a long time.
Yeah.
It's been probably close to a year, so we'll see how this thing goes.
All right.
All right.
About 11 a.m. on Sunday, and we've got the spinnaker flying. We've had overall a very good sail so far, so it's been good wind. Right now we have 10-12 knots almost from directly behind us. We've got our friends on Rainbow Safari that are over just abeam, and it's been really good. Been really good. Sarah's did a little serenade this morning playing the ukulele, and we're just slowly making our way towards Indonesia, doing about anywhere between 5.5 to 6.5 knots depending on what happens, and it's all good. So we're looking forward to making it to Indonesia. So what's up?
I'm reading a book and having some snacks and just relaxing. It's really calm out. I mean, that was the big sail out, and it's really nice.
So you're having a good time? Very good. Let's go check on Michael and see what he's up to. Dark room it is. What are you doing, Michael?
Listen to an audiobook and playing with Legos.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Don't say that, Grandpa. Marina took his hand.
Okay, it's about noon on Monday, and we are halfway through our first day at sea. We are actually also just right in the middle of the Malacca Strait, so we're halfway across, heading to Aceh, Banda Aceh over here in Sumatra, which is the great, beautiful island, some really good diving, some really good friends that live down there. And we really, really like the island up north, Sabang, and the diving there is good with fish. Coral's not so great, but we're excited to be getting there. We should be arriving at some point tomorrow at this rate. We've got, as I said, good wind, and we're doing between 6 and 7 knots, and it's been great.
Red at night, sailor's delight. Red
Yeah,
morning,
it's pretty
red
beautiful.
Morning. Look how red that is.
It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Just beautiful.
It's like, what color would you say that is? Mojave desert red. Yeah, it's like fluorescent red. Neon red.
Hey there.
Hi. I'm just chilling out and having some pickles that Mom made.
Listening to a book on tape? Yeah. And it's our second day sailing, right? Anything exciting happen? What you been up to?
This morning.
Oh yeah, we saw dolphins this morning.
And
You and E played.
no,
Oh, you didn't. Just you.
yeah, I played Minecraft today.
What'd you make?
I didn't make anything. I just like messed around,
Yeah.
and then I played some other things. Yeah,
And what's the sail like? Comfortable or
medium.
medium? Okay. Why?
It's still kind of rocky.
A little bit rocky, but overall comfortable enough that we can sit up and eat cucumbers, right? So, all right, I'll let you get back to it. Don't eat all those cucumbers. What are you doing?
Doing my choice.
What did you choose to do today?
The movie.
Which one?
Aquaman.
Aquaman. You love that movie. How you doing? Good sail?
Yeah.
Well, we're just now finally arriving to Sabang, Indonesia. It's in the Aceh province of Sumatra. We've had a wonderful sail. It's just been great, and we're excited to kind of round the corner here. We're about a half an hour from the point. We're going to go in and then start the process with customs, immigration, quarantine, and all the fun stuff we have to do to clear into Indonesia. But we're happy to be here. It was one of our better sails we've had in a long time, and we are excited.
So it just rained, so Michael and I went up front and got all rinsed off for our shower. And then this morning or this afternoon we saw dolphins again. Yesterday we saw dolphins too. So yeah, just looking at all the pictures that I took.
What's the best thing about sailing, Michael? What was your rose and thorn for the trip?
My rose was choices, lots of choices.
And what are those?
So if it's an 8 or more hour sail, like each day, it counts as each day, then you get to either watch a movie or get an hour and a half of iPad time.
So what were your choices for this trip?
All iPad.
All iPad.
Oh, it's just one iPad, one movie, and one iPad.
Ah. So are you happy or sad to be finally in Indonesia?
Both. Because Thailand has better food. And
Yeah.
Indonesia's like better. Indonesia has better diving,
Yeah.
but not as good food.
That's true. I would agree with you. What's your favorite food in Thailand?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. And how about in Indonesia?
None. I don't know. There's not many that are my favorite in Indonesia.
Mie goreng? Soto ayam?
Yeah, I think I like fried rice and soto ayam,
Okay.
which is chicken soup.
Chicken soup. Good. Well, we're here.
My rose is that we got to do choices and we got to see dolphins. And my thorn is that the sail's done already.
Yeah.
And that it didn't rain longer than it did. It was only like 5 minutes of pouring rain, but then it died off.
And what are you most looking forward to here in Indonesia?
Diving and seeing our diving friends that we made last time we were here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not the food, as Michael said. It's really bad. There's like bugs in it and everything.
Hopefully, we'll just eat at night, not turn the lights on.
Yeah.
Then you won't be able to see the bugs.
It's like in the broccoli and everything.
Yeah. All right.
About the Q flag, which means that this is the flag you put up when you haven't checked into the country yet.
Our arrival into Sabang Harbor is nostalgic. We are happy to be here again and are looking forward to seeing old friends from our last trip when we were here in November. What we are not anticipating is the clearance process back into Indonesia. Little do we know, our boat is going to become Grand Central Station in just a matter of moments.